Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to J.P.BBQ. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Today, we're firing up the Lone Star Grill, and we're doing two of our favorites, pulled pork and chicken. That's right. I'm gonna show you how we do this pulled pork and chicken, doing it JP style. You guys stay tuned. Check it out. Let me start off first saying that I am super excited about this barbecue that I'm doing today. Here's the reason why. Slowly but surely, as my channel's starting to grow and I'm in the Central Florida area, a lot of people, people starting to hear about my barbecue, and they follow me on YouTube, and they're friends, and some people are family, but now they're starting to contact me and say, hey, JP, how about doing a barbecue for me and my family, or for me and my friends? And I got no problem doing it. I love barbecuing, I love smoking. So people are starting to hire me for, private catering parties. And I absolutely love it. I get to do what I like. I get to do a YouTube video, and I get to feed some people, make some people happy. But I'm super excited. If you live in the Central Florida area and you're interested in having JP cater a private event for you, just feel free. I'll put my email down in the description below. It'll be right here as well. Reach out to me, send me a private direct message or something, and say, hey, JP, how about cooking for me and my friends? I'll get in contact with you and I'll let you know. But besides that, let's go ahead and get started. I'm excited about this one right here. Let me get this picnic shoulder opened up, and man, how big is this one? This one is 8.96, almost 9 pounds of a beast, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. You guys take a look at that. So all we're doing, we're going to take a little bit of olive oil. Olive oil, helps as a binder in this case right here, and we're going to be using two of our favorites. Okay, one of my favorites base layer is our JPAP. This is an all-purpose seasoning. Comes in really good as a base layer. And the other thing that we're going to be putting on top of it, don't let the name fool you, but it says Sexy Chicken, but you can put this Sexy Chicken on just about anything. And we're going to start off with a base layer of our JPAP. There we go. Not too much. Just a little bit of salt and pepper garlic, a little bit on the bone end right there, and maybe a little bit more right here where the money muscle is at. And then we'll put our Sexy Chicken. And here's what this Sexy Chicken has got. This Sexy Chicken, it's got rosemary in it. If you like rosemary, this Sexy Chicken is for you. That's really about it. A little bit of over on this bone end. And these bad boys, I got two of these to do. I'm going to do them exactly the same. That rosemary will seep into that meat, and it'll come out just perfect. So I got these chicken quarters out, and nothing special about these chicken quarters. They're just chicken quarters. I do like to clean them up a little bit, because sometimes, they'll have this extra pieces of fat on the side that I'm not too crazy about. And sometimes they'll have the tail, okay? And I'm not crazy about the tail either, so I just cut those things off. So let me get this one over here, and I'll show you how I do that. And I've done this before in other of my videos, where I just cut that tail right off like that, and into the garbage it goes. And I like taking, sometimes they'll have these extra, not the gizzards, I guess the liver, the kidneys. I'm going to go ahead and take those off too. And this big old piece of fat, don't need that, don't want that. Okay, but if you want it, just leave it on there. These chicken quarters come ready, to cook inside your smoker or wherever you want to, cook them. So all we're gonna do is, we're not gonna put any olive oil on it like we did our picnic shoulders, but we are gonna use a base layer of our JPAP. Just sprinkle some on there, like that. Get it over on the meat side. Get it all around. Just add that extra flavor of salt, pepper, garlic. And we're also going to add our Sexy Chicken. It's chicken. Why not put it? It's good stuff. So we'll just sprinkle a little bit of this Sexy Chicken just like that. And this is probably my favorite for chicken. This is like one of my favorite rubs to use. I absolutely love this sexy chicken, and everybody that has eaten it so far is really keen on it. But that's what it looks like. Nice chicken quarter. We're gonna put that right there, and we got a bunch more to get ready, and they'll be going on the smoker a little bit later this afternoon. You guys stay tuned. Hey, let's go ahead and get these picnic shoulders in the Lone Star Grill. It's hit about 272. I like smoking at 275. So once I'm at 275, you know, my smoker is good to go. And what you want is that nice, and we got that nice, clear, translucent smoke coming out. That's what you're looking for. You get any of that dark, pitted, you know, smoke that you can actually see, that's not what you want. You're gonna mess up your food. Nice, clear, clean, translucent, a very, very light blue. You can almost see the heat waves coming out of the stack. Then you know you're ready to go. Let's go ahead and get it in. Ooh-wee. Alright, I'm gonna put it right here, right in the middle. I got two of these bad boys. Look at that gorgeous looking thing. Don't that look awesome? Put that one right about right there. Here goes the second one. Absolutely gorgeous. Put it right there. And we'll get our meat probe put right in there. So, and what we're shooting for is about 195, even 200. We're making pulled pork out of this, so we want it to shred nice and easy. So we may even hit like maybe 203 with it. Picnic shoulders are in. Time to get these picnic shoulders out, guys, and get them wrapped. They hit a temperature of about 165. It's time to get them wrapped and get them to that next stage. Let me go get them out so you guys can take a look at them. Ooh-wee. Well, they look absolutely delicious. Let me give you guys a little close-up of this first one right here. Look at that bad boy. Man, that looks good. I got my liners on, so that's why I'm not burning myself. But all we do, we just put some aluminum foil on it, get it wrapped up just like that. Get this next side. You know, you don't want it tightly wrapped. What you're trying to do is just tenderize the meat a little bit, because what we're gonna do out of what we're gonna make out of this is just pulled pork. So it'll get nice and tender once we hit a temperature of about 200, and it'll be ready to go. So let me put this back in there, and I just got one more, and they're going right back in. I gotta get that chicken in as well. Hard to believe that we're at the middle of December, and man, it is hot out here in Central Florida. Let's get the chicken in. Let me show you what it looks like. We're gonna put this chicken on this bottom rack right here. All right, here we go. Let's get started. Look at this absolutely gorgeous looking chicken. Hope the lighting doesn't mess it up too bad. So at 1, 2, 3, and I may have to put these pieces. Yeah. Let me see if I can accommodate these a little bit tighter in here. I think I can. There we go. That looks good. And get that piece right there. And get that piece right there. Got plenty of chicken. Alright, now it's just a matter of getting it up to 10. Let me stick that probe in there. And we'll be ready to roll. And we'll try to stick it in this one right here. There we go. And what we're shooting for is like maybe 165, 170 is what we want to shoot for. Chicken don't take too long. A couple hours, it'll be ready to go. You guys stay tuned. I'm gonna show you what this chicken comes out like. Here's the nice thing about cooking for other people. You also get to cook for yourself. Went ahead and spatchcocked the chicken, threw it in the smoker, and let me show you what it looks like. Used my Sexy Chicken on it. And I don't know if you can see it from here, but down there, right around there in the corner, the griddle went ahead and heat some beans up, and I got some mac and cheese over there going. Let me cut this chicken up and see what it's all about. Then I'm gonna go get me a plate. Ooh, man, look at this. Came out nice. It's been resting out here for just a little bit. Let me get you guys a little bit closer. You guys see that beautiful crust that it took? That's that rosemary. Here we go. Yes, sir. Oh, man. Nice and juicy. Look at this. Let me cut this leg quarter off. And man, it absolutely looks gorgeous. Take this wing. Ooh, man, look at all the juices coming out of it. And you see the juices all on my cutting board. Absolutely delicious looking. Enough talking. Let me make me a plate. And I'm gonna use, I'm gonna grab one of these plates right here. I'm gonna put that chicken quarter right there. Let me cover this back up. And I'm gonna go over there and go get me some beans and mac and cheese. Hold on. Here we go. Look at that. Doesn't that look awesome? A drumstick, a chicken quarter with some Sexy Chicken on it, with the JPAP. Got some beans and some mac and cheese. Mac and cheese and the beans are extremely hot, but I'm gonna take a bite of this chicken quarter. Oh yeah, look at that. It just runs into the juices with the beans. That looks absolutely delicious. Here we go. Enough talking. Let me take a bite. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my gosh. I went all the way down to the bone. That is. Ooh, look at that. Bone just came right off. Take me another little bite. I ain't got no napkins. No worries. Perfect chicken. Got the rest of this to cook up. I just wanted to show you what this plate looks like, doing it JP style. Moment of truth, guys. See if this pulled pork is done. It's hit an internal temperature just a little bit over 200. Normally you're supposed to let it rest. We're gonna see what it's all about. See if it's ready to shred. Here we go. Apologize for the light. It's a little bit dark out here. There we go. Let me get this aluminum out of there. And we see if we can shred this bad boy and put some of our fantastic barbecue sauce on it. So, oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. It don't get no better than that. Boy, that is perfect right there. Let's see. Ooh-wee. Ooh, yeah, that's it's hot. Normally you should let it rest as soon as you take it out. Let it rest for about 30 minutes, maybe even 45 minutes. We're going to attempt to take this bone out and see if it pulls out nice and clean. Alright, so. Ooh, yeah, look at that piece right there. Oh, yeah. Alright, here we go. There's a knuckle. Take that out of the way. Oh, yeah. Ooh. It is hot, guys. There it goes. I don't know if you guys can see it. It is pulling right out. Look at that. Perfect. When you get a bone that pulls out, ooh, and it is super hot. When you get a bone that pulls out just like that, nice and clean, you know your picnic shoulder is ready and ready to get shredded. So I'm gonna shred this as much as I can because I got another one over there, and I'm gonna try this. Ooh, yes sir. Wow, hot. I really, I'm a little scared to try and taste it. Let me see this piece right here. Oh yeah, this piece is not so bad. We're gonna try that piece out right there. Look at that. Look how it just shreds. Ooh. Put some of this barbecue sauce on it. We're gonna put the sauce, the J.P.BBQ sauce. Currently, I'm out of stock on my website, so some of this sauce I gotta make it homemade. I have plenty of JP Caliente, but my peach sauce and my original is out, my J.P.BBQ. Here we go. Let's give this a try. Perfect pulled pork. Sorry. Don't mean to be talking with my mouth full. Absolutely delicious, guys. Anyhow, today's cook is for some friends of mine. So I got to get this food ready and take it out to them. We did pulled pork, and we're going to be doing some pulled pork sandwiches. And I got some chicken quarters that I'm taking out to them as well. So, and some mac and cheese and some baked beans. I hope they like it. Anyhow, guys, I appreciate every single one of you guys for watching my channel. If you get a chance, right there in the corner, do me a favor, there's a little subscribe button. Click on that button and smash that bell. That'll get you future notifications of upcoming videos. And if you're interested in any of the products that I have, a link right here to my website. I'll put it right there as well, where I sell my barbecue rubs and sauces, and I got some swag there as well. I got hats and shirts for sale. You know, all these products help support the channel, and I appreciate every single one of you guys that help support J.P.BBQ. I appreciate you guys again. I love y'all. I'll talk to y'all later, and I will see you guys on the next cookout. Take care. See ya.